Now you'll notice when I go to punch, if you use this little registration line here and put your paper right at the edge, you're going to be punching right on the end and get a perfect punch. Super easy. Then just follow the design until it lines up, until you can't see the blue anymore. You see that right there? Line it up until the blue is covered. Make sure it's at the back over here, and go ahead and punch. Measure this border at 2.5. Measure this border at 2.25. All right, now let's put it all together. So we've got our base here, and we're just going to adhere our wildflower border. I'm using the dots adhesive. This is our repositionable, and it gives you a minute to position it and be able to move it, but it does get permanent when you adhere it and let it set. So we're going to adhere that, and then our next wildflower border.